Every day is so wonderful, and suddenly it's hard to breathe. Now and then I get insecure from all the things I'm so ashamed. I ain't beautiful, no matter what they say. Words can bring me down. I ain't beautiful in every single way. These words can bring me down. Oh no, don't you bring me down today. To all you friends, you're delirious, so consumed in all your trying hard to fill the emptiness. The peace is gone, and the puzzle under. Is that the way it is? You are beautiful, no matter what they say. Words can bring you down. Oh, you are beautiful in every single way. Your words can bring you down. Oh, don't you bring me down today. No matter what we do, no matter what they say, when the sun shines through, then the clouds won't stay. And every time we go, the sun won't always shine, but tomorrow will find a way. All the other times, we are beautiful, no matter what they say. Words won't bring us down. Yeah, yeah. We are beautiful in every single way. Yes, words can't bring us down. Oh, don't you bring me down today. Oh, hey, don't you bring me down today. Don't you bring me down. Oh.